Students, here is a poem with the name of In the Garden, and it is written by Emily Elizabeth Dickinson. Summary of the poem. This beautiful poem is written by Emily Elizabeth Dickinson. She is considered to be one of the most significant of all American poets. Her poem addressed emotional and psychological states such as loneliness, pain, happiness, and death, etc. This poem is beautifully written by Emily Dickinson. In this poem, In the Garden, she picturizes the encounter with a bird in a garden. And this poem is written in 5 stanzas. She observes the actions of the bird who is holding an angleworm and bit it in halves. It moves quickly from place to place, showing the anxiety inherent to most of its species. The speaker attempts to offer the bird a crumb. It does not want anything to do with a human being and flies away.
Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.